Before we get today's video started, I want to say a huge shout out to the Coldest Water for sponsoring today's video. This product is absolutely awesome, and I'm going to tell you guys why you need it, as well as how you can save when you go to purchase. As you guys know, we live in Arizona, and this place is super hot. And one of the problems that we have is when we go out, our drinks get warm in the car, and it's just not fun if you don't drink them right away. But with the help of Coldest Water, they have designed some amazing water bottles. And I wouldn't even call them water bottles. I would call them lifesavers, because these can keep your drinks cold for up to 36 hours and they don't sweat at all. It's fully insulated with 2.0 lid technology, which keeps water colder for longer. But we have not forgot about you guys. If you guys want to enter to win the 1 gallon, be sure to check the links in the description to enter the giveaway. One of my favorite features is that if you drop it in a pool or any body of water, it'll float so you won't lose it. So perfect for the river, perfect for the pool. That's incredible. And it fits in 99% of cup holders, bike racks, and cars. I love this carrying handle right here, as well as this rubber grip. It's honestly the perfect size and easy to carry. And if you don't want this water bottle, they have plenty of other items on their website. Check them out. One of the big issues I've had with other water bottles is that over time they develop some weird musty smell, but these are odor resistant, so you don't have to worry about it developing that, as well as the top of it has a nice big mouth, so you can fill this up with large ice cubes, which then lengthens the time that the water or any other fluid you have in here stays cold. I just used this today on a bike ride, and I'm planning another fishing trip, and this is definitely coming along with me so I can survive in this Arizona heat. And look at this, over 100 NFL and NBA athletes use their ice packs for faster recovery. The build is incredible. I absolutely love it. And also they have an amazing guarantee. If you're not satisfied or you just don't like it, you can return it within a year, and they'll either give you a brand new one or they'll refund you the cost of it. So this is meant to be your last water bottle that you ever have to purchase. They're taking over the market, and you guys should check them out. Use our code for 10% off your purchase, and I know you guys will love and be satisfied with this, so check them out today. And they even have pillows. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. We have a lot of fun videos coming out. We like to go thrifting, we find clearance things, and we get it and we flip it. So today's project is gonna be this right here. We had found this at Ross. It's some Easter clearance. When they reopened, all these signs were going to 99 cents. So if you guys watch our videos, you'll know that Jasmine went to the store. She went to Michael's with her mom and grandma and found this really cute planter right here. So she has plants in it, but the only thing is right above it, it's just missing something. So we're gonna use this sign right here to fill in the space and show you guys that we can transform this ugly, gaudy stuff into something beautiful that we can be proud of. So let's get to work.
Can I help you?
Of course you can help me, girl. So we're actually gonna paint this, okay?
I like black.
Okay, maybe we can use black. I don't think it's gonna work for this sign, but we asked Mama for some ideas on what she wants.
Sometimes I wet my plants on the square one.
Well, no, I'm not doing the square one. I'm just doing that one. But I mean, I can do that too. So Jasmine scrolled through Pinterest and found a couple of things and sent it to me, but then ultimately decided on this saying right here. Every great project starts with a drink out of my favorite bottle. Well, the plan is to put happiness is buying ... on the Cricut, and then I'm gonna print the word plants as a stencil, and we're gonna cut that with the scroll saw, and then I'm gonna have to like find like a picture like this to cut with the Cricut. So that's the plan. Let's see if I can execute it. Here's the stencil. That's the font that Jasmine was kind of telling me she wants. Now we gotta cut. It was my first time cutting letters this small and delicate, and I was a little nervous, but I'm actually really happy at the way they turned out. Making signs like this is so much fun because you go online, you get a vision, you get inspired, and then you can actually put it into like a real thing that you can hold and look at, and it's something to be proud of. I took a few minutes to sand down the sign just to get all that print off of there so it'd be easy to paint, and then I went through my paints and decided upon an antique white to paint the main background. next thing to paint is the letters that I just finished cutting. I went with a chocolate sprinkles craft paint. And the reason I did that was to give it a nice deep contrast to the background. However, I really wanted to go with black, but I was using black for the cricket letters that I was gonna cut out in a little bit, so that wouldn't have worked. Everything looks so good so far, but as you can see, there's some blank space right there. And at first I wanted to use the Cricut to cut out some sort of like plant design, but I just couldn't find something. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna take a chance. And I found these leaves, and I'm gonna try to cut this out. It looks kind of like a fall leaf, but I'm gonna paint it green and see what happens. I don't know if it just kind of makes it look fall though. I don't know. I think if I paint it green, it might take that away, but I don't know what to do. So while I was working and making things for my wife, she literally was at the lake, swimming, having fun. I'm taking calls, stressed out, making things for the house, and she's just chilling with wild horses.
I did see the horses. How do you know?
The kids told me.
Yeah.
How was it? How was it to be vacationing?
I'm tired. I want to take a nap.
Okay, well, before you take a nap, I have a surprise for you. You wanted a sign, you gave me some ideas, and this is...
Oh, and I threw up.
Okay, guys, if you guys want to go watch the lake vlog, it's going to be on our vlog channel.
That.
So, you gave me some ideas. This is kind of what I envisioned, and I hope you like it. Please don't fall asleep on me.
So tired.
All right. I also picked up this bag.
Is my hair really messy?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, it's heavy. I love that.
What do you think?
Happiness is buying plants.
Yeah, that's what the saying you gave me. I went with like, what's his name?
Cute.
That's so cute, right?
I stole it.
You saw it? Did you? Why didn't you tell me?
It's a secret, right? Ellie helped me make it.
You did? I love this. Every time you give me a new sign, it looks better and better.
I cut a leaf.
You painted a leaf?
Are they doing
No.
a mannequin challenge?
This is so nice.
I was super unsure about this.
I love this. This is one of my favorite parts of it. I love this. I actually want one of these plants in real life so bad.
And also this color scheme I feel like went well.
Yeah.
This was like Ray Dunn inspired and made it a little bit more bold.
It's like dirty.
I know, it got dirty. I can touch it up. But honestly, it's going to be up there.
Yeah.
So no one's going to be
I
able to
love this back of it too.
see. Also, I left this here. I'm not a huge fan of like burlap twine to
That
hang
looks
up.
cute. Let me see how it'll look.
I don't know if it's going to look right there though.
Well, let's see.
Unless
Because
you want
honestly, it looks like it might be too big
Hey,
to have
come
it
here.
hanging like that. I'm in my bathing suit, so my tits are saggy.
Thumbnail. Can I nail you with my thumb?
No, come on. I have to go poop really bad.
Oh, Jasmine, honestly, here, hold the camera. That's disgusting. All right, so if it's hanging,
Oh no, it's not gonna be able to hang.
yeah, so I'm gonna have to put
Yeah.
like a little.
Let me see.
That's what it's gonna look like.
Dude, that's gonna look so nice.
Is it cute?
Yes. I love that so
Dude.
freaking much.
I'm super excited. So
Dude, honestly, like we need to move.
honestly,
we need to
okay,
do your house
okay,
with more walls.
guys. So that's the
More
thing.
wall
It's
space.
like I want to do something called Sunday or Sign Sundays, where I make a new sign for the house every Sunday and show you guys.
What if we cut something out? Lara, I don't know. What
I know this sign kind of gave me inspiration to get like wallpaper, put it in the background, and then put like letters in front of it, right?
What if we just like pop this off and put a whole new thing on there?
We can't because there's gonna be holes right there. Anyways, so I have this idea called Sign Sunday. Once I'm done with all the signs in my house, I want to surprise people that I know with signs. Go to their house.
It's so funny because my mom, when she came over the other day and we were telling her about the signs and stuff.
Hold on.
She was like, oh, I'm so excited. I was like, why? She's like, because that means we're gonna get signs for Christmas and our birthdays. And I was like, that's so funny because that's literally what me and Jordan
Wouldn't that
said.
be a good idea though? Sign Sunday, where we like, my mom wants a craft room sign. She's been telling me for a long time to
Yeah.
make her one. Alex and Alex want one.
Yeah.
Like your mom, we could surprise everybody we know with the sign every
Yeah.
week.
Let's do
So
it.
let us know, guys, if you guys want to see me do that. And this is so much fun. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna find something that I really enjoyed.
That's super nice, dude. I love that.
Yes.
Every sign you make me, I'm like, wow, I love it. That's the best. But it's like you get better and better.
Yeah, this was way better than all the other ones. And this literally cost me like maybe $2. Let me know what you guys think about that idea, as well as I have something to tell you guys. So today was supposed to be our room renovation update, but because Jasmine was at the lake, we couldn't film the stuff we needed to film. So that's gonna get posted soon. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys enjoy these type of vlogs, as well as give us some sign ideas. Let us know. This is super fun, and if you guys would like, I can also show you guys tutorials on how to use this scroll saw, what scroll saw I have, and go over all of that with you as well, because honestly, it's a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. And I was thinking about starting a business selling signs, but honestly, if I can grow like a YouTube channel of us just making signs for ourselves, I'd rather do that. It's just, I found that when you're, what's the word? When your hobby becomes a job, it takes the fun out of it, and I don't want to do that. Yes, you drew that for me. Thank you, baby. So yeah, I just don't want to take the fun out of it. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and take a look at the wall in its final form. Check out the before and after. Once again, huge thank you to our sponsor, The Coldest Water. Be sure to check them out today. The links are in the description. You will not be disappointed in their products.